We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother HL-3070CW. So first thing, pull your tray out. You have these little green things. Make sure this is in the correct slot for the size of media that you're using. You want to make sure it's locked in there. Same with these. You also have these little tabs. These are called your max level indicators. You never want to feel too close to these or over it. If you do, it'll be really hard for the printer to pick up paper to bring inside of the printer to print on. Another thing is you never want to just take your new paper and stick it in there. A lot of times it's not aligned. So what you want to do is take your old paper, mix it with your new paper, and then fan it out. I like to do this because we live in Oklahoma. There's a lot of condensation and humidity in the air, so it's really good tips. That way the pages don't stick together. So after you fan it out, go ahead and align it all together and then stick it in your tray. If you do these tips, it should help eliminate some paper jams, but if you're consistently seeing jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.